Hey guys, this is our read aloud for today. This is You Make Me Smile by Lane Marlowe. Of all the days and all the seasons of the year, today is a very special day. You might not think so yet, but it really is. The day starts wintry gray. But look, suddenly, silently, frozen flakes are falling from the sky. And ever so softly, all around, snow, snow, snow is covering the ground. Hooray! Soon you'll be standing outside in the bright white world. You'll be cold, 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 with a radish red nose. Your arms may be stiff, but your eyes are going to shine. A long woolen scarf around your neck should keep you warm, but the cold doesn't seem to matter to you because today is the special day when you make me smile. Smile! Tomorrow may be warmer. Winter turns to spring. A year may pass, but if you wait, we can share a snowy smile again.